We have lots of different things going on in here today. You're looking at the brick kitchen. Brick kitchen is where the food would have been prepared for the big house. Obviously, I'm going to be doing some cooking in here today. I'm going to be doing some cooking with pork in the reflector oven. Some creamed potatoes with onion. I'm going to be doing a cheesy egg bake in the Dutch oven. So we have a lot of different types of things. Now, this room would have been worked in by a slave lady. She would have been the head cook, did not know how to read nor write. Thank you, ma'am. And this would have been the head slave's primary job for the entirety of her life. The young lady would be pretty much the mother's apprentice, and she would take over the cooking responsibilities later after something happened to mom. Or she would be sold off because everybody needs a good cook. She has a lot of different recipes going on in her mind. She would also, the head cook would also have the right to go out and have other help, if you will. So depending on how much food needed to be prepared in here, it's not a job for one, but it was definitely a slave's job. Now we're just interpreting in here today. That's the reason you see us able to do this. For the amount of cooking that we're going to be doing today, I have absolutely plenty of help. And that right there is my oven and my stove, and that's what's going to be doing the all of the cooking. Well, and then putting it in there to cook, but that is how we do it. Now you notice that the pots and pans basically have legs on them. So it either hangs over the fire in a kettle, which I'll be doing some of that as well, or you have the hot coals pulled out, and that's going to become your range top, if you will. And then the legs of the pan keeps it away from the actual fire. And that's how you fry, and that's how you bake with the Dutch oven and things like that.
We're doing a repair to one of the cabinets, the pie safe over in the kitchen house. And got our little front that's come loose, so we're going to see if we can't get it fixed here. What grade are you in? What grade are you in?
I'm in third.
Third? All right.
This is a place where we make a table where you make wood. This is kind of actually light.